talking about Max. Can Max have a robot here? Till now we are saying no to that, because you should have trained people here also. If I am doing surgery sitting at Delhi and doing some robotic surgery, having a robot in Kashmir, and something wrong happens, some bleeding happens, so you should have a trained person there too who can control that. एक जो मेजर डिस्कशन है कैंसर में, आजकल हम डिस्कस करते हैं कैंसर्स इन वीमेन. सो कैंसर्स इन वीमेन, so 50% population is women, and the most common cancer in females are two: breast cancer and cervical cancers. Nowadays breast cancer is more common than cervical cancers. 10 years before, cervical cancer was more common than breast cancer. So the reason for breast cancer, many of us know about that. It is a hormonal cancer basically. Cervical cancer is because of poor hygiene, we can say poor personal hygiene. So again, it's so much common cancer. At least 1 in 30 females are developing breast cancer in India at present. That's a huge number. And we have very simple tests to detect these cancers. Like for breast, we need to do a mammogram at the age of 50 years. And if we start doing mammogram at this age, at least 60 to 80% patients can be treated at early stage for breast cancers. For cervical cancers, if you start doing pap smear at the age of 21 years and then repeat after 3 years, if it is negative, then at 3 years, again you can protect or preventive around 80% of infections and cancers development in these patients. Very simple, very easy and very cheap test to do that. The third common cancer which is very common nowadays in female is an ovarian cancer, which is detected at late stages, mainly third stage. So how you can detect ovarian cancer? I can say that ovarian cancers are usually seen after the age of 40-45 years. So simple ultrasound can detect any ovarian mass. Then we need some blood test which can detect ovarian cancer early and we can treat them. So despite our best efforts for ovarian cancers, if we are detecting them early, our cure rates are from 50 to 80%. So breast cancer, cervical cancer and ovarian cancer, these are the common cancer in female. Then one is uterine cancer. Normally uterine cancer is detected early because of bleeding, mainly we say post-menopausal bleeding, and the cure rate for endometrial cancers are high. So if I tell you breast cancer is more curable, then endometrial cancers, then cervical cancers, then ovarian cancers. So we should be very focused on cancers in female, and everywhere, not in Kashmir only, in the country, the cancer in female is very much common nowadays. So there is a thing which is called fibrocystic disease of breast. So it's a benign disease, and what is actually it is, we get some inflammation in the milk duct. We say lactiferous duct, and because the inflammation of these ducts, the nipple is retracted inwards, and then some secretions start coming from the nipple. It is purely a benign disease. It is not related to cancer. It never turns into cancer. So females are worried about there's a nipple discharge, my nipple is going inside. It may be cancer, it can be starting from cancer, but it's not like that. But you should always prove by doing some test it is an fibrocystic disease, not something else. So ultrasound of the breast or mammography can help us in deciding that it is fibrocystic disease of the breast or something related to cancer of the breast. So as a good clinician, we should know what we are dealing with, and we should tell the right thing about this to the patients, and we should educate them about this. Fibrocystic breast disease is a benign disease. It never turns into cancer.
Subscribe Asian Mail, press bell icon, never miss an update.